Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing was the bust dart technique. But why do people do the bust dart technique? I want to show you why. This is her manicure now. We are assuming this is a human, so it is a body form for a human. So for women we have the bust. Yes. So the bust affects what? The affluent. Let me show you now. So these are bust points, under bust, and a half length. My half length here is what? 16 for the front. So let's show the back. So for the back, can you see this? This is 13 for the back. So that gives us what? 3-inch difference. Like 3 good inch difference. So this is where the bust dart what technique come in, and I'll be showing us how to draft what bust dart. So you remember our peplum blouse for our last class, the last video, that the back went low. That was because I used the same half length for the front, for the back, and the way to correct it is using what the bust dart what technique. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. So this is it. My front pattern will be here and my back pattern will be here. This side we had this line we had as what? My center front. While this we had as what? My center back. Yeah. So first thing I'll be putting is our linear measurement. So I'll be using the manicure measurement. So it might seem some slight difference in inches for a human. So my bust point for my manicure, so measurement is starting from here, which is what? My shoulder line. Armhole 7, bust point 9, and half length 16. You can watch my video on basic gown to understand these aspects of ruling the linear measurements and drafting the armhole and all. A half length for the back is what? 13. Next thing I'll do is to measure what difference here, to know what I'm using for my darts. I have 3 inches. 3 inches here. So let me place on my shoulder slope. My shoulder slope is 13 for the manicure. So I'll be using what? 6.5. Bust 32. Remember, this is our center front for the back, so this is where we are starting our measurement from. It's going like this, from here to here, not from here to here, from here to here. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and comment on it. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. For my front neck, I used 3x4. For the back, I'll be using 3x2. For the back, don't forget your zip allowance. I'm using 1 inch. So our manicure is waist 24. That's 6 inches. But I'll be using my waist dart. I'm using the waist dart. Yes. So I'll add 1 inch to it. That's 7 inch. So my waist dart placement is 3.5. For my waist dart, I took half inch on both sides and I connected to my bust point. So this is my back pattern. My back pattern is ready. It's everything on my back pattern. Now we do our bust dart on our front pattern, on the front pattern. So I'll take my waist with 6 plus 1 inch for our waist dart. That's 7. So let me place my waist dart. So the next thing I'm doing is connecting my waist to my bust. But I'll be using pencil for now because of the manipulation I'll do. So let's get right into what our bust start technique. So the difference between our front and our back now that we measure there is what? 3 inches. So we're measuring 3 inches from this bust point area down. So this is where my 3 inches is. 3 inches. And I also get the midpoint for my 3 inches, which is here. So I'll be connecting from here, from this bust point, remember my nipple to nipple, down to my first 3 inch. And I'll pull out this place too. I'll come out. I'll be measuring the midpoint now that I ruled. I'll measure what? Like 0.5 out. 0.5. So I'll be connecting to my waist. This was why I didn't rule out. I didn't rule it with marker at first, so you can see this. So this place, connecting it towards my waist. Can you see that? So this is to let you know that this, when you cut that, you know that there's a dart here. And why I did this was because you have to fold your bust dart, and when you fold it, you have enough to be able to rule backwards a straight line. I'll show you what I mean by that when I cut it out. So this is everything about our bust dart. We have our waist dart with what our bust dart. Let me roll this out so you can see clearly. So this is our bust dart. So by the time you take in this place, the half length will be the same with the back. To be the same what with the back. So this is it. Let me cut. So this is my front and this is my back. This is my front, this is my back. So let's add fix our what? Our dart. So cut out. I want to open up this lace. So this is my new line. You can see, assuming I didn't rule the line like this place would have been deficit. So I have this now. So this is my new line. Let me use my paper tape to hold it. So you see that, can you see the sides now? Can you see the sides? They've aligned. So this is everything about what your bow starts. So I only open this place up to his this place that I wanted to fold. So you can cut away the dart leg, your choice. So that's how to do what your bust dart technique. So with your bust dart also, you can do your shoulder dart with it, or your armhole dart, depending on the dart you want. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Please share this channel with others, share this video with others also. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.